Bro's voice is smoother than Charlie Puth. Seriously.
Hi guys, we hope you watched our Shark Tank episode, which is now on YouTube. And these are the comments which were in the comment section. So we're just going to read a few of them, and this is us reacting to your comments. Go ahead.
Founder ma'am is too cute and talented. 100 out of 100.
Okay. Thank you.
Now it's your turn, Swati.
The founders give such honest, lovely vibes. I genuinely wish this brand makes it bigger in the coming years. Oh,
That's so sweet. Thank you.
this is again very sweet. These are the softest clothes and wraps for babies. Hands down, the best. Thank you.
I hope you're a customer of ours. Bro's voice is smoother than Charlie Puth. Seriously. God.
I think this is the only comment you've got on your voice, Ashwant. What do you have to say to the audience?
No comments, please. Good.
Okay. Nice. I like that.
Charlie.
Namita be like, मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं, so that's the reason I am out. No, she didn't say that. She was very sweet.
The girl had next level energy. Huh.
My
Oh,
name is Swati. That is the girl. Swati.
we do know that energy. Had to face and put up with her every day, you see. That energy,
Next comment.
definitely not,
Yeah.
is something we can speak even more.
Thank you. Friend from US who had money, so she approached him. In-laws had a textile business, so she had raw materials and supply covered. Laughing emoji. Okay, I at least had the talent of taking advantages of opportunities, guys.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Next comment, please.
thanks for letting me know, Swati.
South Indians are amazing in knowledge, maths, and amazing fluency in English. And explaining of numbers was amazing. So, guys, we do know English, yeah?
Scientifically.
Numbers, though, if you're running a business, you should know your numbers.
And
Of course.
English,
Of course. Now, this was the real shark attitude from Amit that even two other sharks backed off. And I'm sure founders need to tap North India market, which is must on their cards. Moreover, parents are ready to shell money for kids, seeing the online reviews and experiencing the clothes.
Nice.
I mean, yes, it is. We are very grateful that Amit did back us and give us a deal.
Yeah.
One of the best pitch I have seen till now. The comment on the statistics they had itself shows they study sincereness and vision.
Wow. I mean, comments like these, yeah, seriously.
Seriously.
Of course, there were a lot of fun ones, and there are a couple of ones that
Good
that are
ones.
coming in. But such comments really makes us motivates us and wants us to do much more. So
I mean, this is the kind of the real motivation which we get. It's end of the day, the consumers and the viewers gives us the real motivation.
ऐसे CEO मिलने के लिए तो 60% shares भी दे दो. ले लो.
See,
सब
see,
ले लो.
Swati. See,
ले लो,
Swati.
जान ले लो, shares ले लो, सब ले लो.
You should know my value. You see, you need to know my worth. You see, right? You have to realize that. I hope you realize. See, there's so much market potential for me. The opportunity is huge. मैम, इंडिया को जो बड़ा मार्केट है ना, वो मिडिल क्लास वाला है. वो नहीं दिखता इसमें केमिकल है कि नहीं.
Okay, so basically.
Yeah, that I'm sorry.
Okay, no. Basically, they say that the middle class market does not see whether the product has chemical or not in it. I totally disagree with that comment. I'm sorry. I believe that every mother or every parent out there wants to give the best to their children, even if it's middle class or upper middle class or whatever class it is. Parents are parents, and we do cater to a lot of that. Every category that we cater to our parents, and we make sure that we reach them by making our price points and making our products very accessible and affordable. to every household in India. That is basically our vision. So every household in India will include all the categories of the economy, and that is what we believe that we are trying to do.
I bet you Shark Tank is not an investing platform. It is an advertising platform. The pitchers must have paid to come on the show to advertise their product, but as an audience, we are as always. Oh goodness. That's not right, guys. It's not cool at all. Trust me. The amount of work the Shark Tank team does put behind, and the way they kind of filter the audience and bring you the honest pitches and the honest products to the market so that all the viewers get to know everything. Trust me, I mean, it is not paid at all. It's 100% organic.
I don't think we have money
To pay exactly someone like Sony TV, a small brand like us, paying some Sony, seriously,
I know it is.
coming on national channel and 20 minutes of prime time. Oh my goodness, this is the biggest gift. I mean, a platform like Shark Tank is the biggest gift for all small businesses like us. That is what I would say. Every business out there should venture out for these kind of opportunities.
That's true.
This is not paid at all, and the kind
don't
of
think it's a myth. Like,
Yeah.
people are just out there spreading whatever they can. It's not an advertising platform. They do take every entrepreneur and every pitch seriously.
very much.
There's so much of due diligence that happens after the pitch, when there are so many founders who have been approached, and who have been asked for so many documents in order for them to even pitch. I mean, even for pitching as well as for funding as well. So it is a serious game, guys. It's not an advertising platform. It's
Definitely
not a marketing platform or things like that. It is just an opportunity that all of us just wanted to grab.
See, one thing I would only like to tell you is that you need to understand the level of due diligence and background work they do. Before getting telecast, close to 4 months, they work with us, get all our documents. And post telecast, you don't understand the level of due diligence that happens. I mean, literally, an external audit team literally looks at every aspect of your business, analyzes you, and also make sure the founders also thinks on the same line, and every statement you claim in the show is being checked. The authenticity is being checked. Every number is being checked. The math number, everything is being checked. So this is like one of the best platforms for any credible authenticity business which were running genuinely, for them to reach the national platform and reach to a large level of audience. I think everyone who are out there who are trying to bring about a positive change by building an innovative startup should definitely utilize these kind of opportunities like Shark Tank. I think that's the best gift for the startup ecosystem in India especially.
This is such a language-biased show. Why only in Hindi? What if a South Indian is watching it? Please let it be in English so everyone understands. Or make sure all languages are available.
Okay.
Okay. So, yes, it is in Hindi. It's because it's telecasted in Sony TV, which is very much seen and very much watched, maybe most of North India. And we do agree definitely that it can be in English and other languages, and definitely if South Indians are watching it, we do have a language barrier. Of course, we do understand that. I was thankful that I knew Hindi, and Ashwan beautifully managed. But yes, we did face a little bit of the language barrier did happen, but we somehow managed it. And
One thing I tell you is that, see, language barrier is a problem. We are addressing it. See, if we look at our pitch, for example, right, 80% was not in Hindi, 80% was predominantly in English, and they put Hindi subtitles for the viewership to understand. So it's not that South Indian startups or anyone coming who doesn't know Hindi cannot approach, can be approached, can go there, and the backend team will also help you. It's not that they won't help you. You can try to put in the colloquial terms here and there wherever possible it's needed, and you can predominantly do the pitch in English also, but the majority of the viewership is Hindi, so that's the reason they emphasize more on Hindi. But it's not something I would say is that only if you know Hindi you're allowed to go to the shows. That's not a rule.
like the founders a lot, and for sure will become their customer. I really hope there will be a place where non-Hindi people will also be able to pitch in the tank. Oh God, guys, non-Hindi people are allowed to pitch in the tank. This is
We are
extreme
non-Hindi people.
we are not Hindi people. We are true examples of the fact that there's no Hindi, non-Hindi kind of a thing in the tank. Your pitch and your product, and as founders, you just need to be confident enough to somehow convince the rounds before the airing, and of course just the sharks out there. It's totally your persistence and your ability to somehow convince these people and get yourself through. That's all. We are non-Hindi speaking people who have been to the tank.
These people are mostly talking English and then they say Hindi show hai. You should be fluent in Hindi. It's either this way.
It's either this way or it's either that way. This is a true example of comments that you'll get in a video. If you talk in Hindi, why are you talking in Hindi? If you talk in English, why are you talking in English? Okay guys, so this was us just reacting to the few comments. So if you haven't watched the episode, it is on YouTube. Go watch them and of course read the comments as well. Let's see whether it's Hindi or English or whatever.